Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you a review on this HiSmile teeth whitening kit, but also the HiSmile day and night toothpaste. Kind of my thoughts on it, my results, how I found it and all that. So if you want to see my results, then please keep watching. So I've been using this. So basically what you do is you use it for 6 days when you first get it, and then you use it once a week. What I will say is this is really easy to use, to apply, but I will show you that in this video. So first off, I'm going to show you the day and night toothpaste. I actually didn't know that they did this. I'd heard of HiSmile, but I didn't know that they did this. So the difference between, comes in this really nice packaging. So you've got the 2 tubes, this one's day and this one's night. Just as an example, as you can see, they're like toothpaste. One is white and one is black. Taste minty. This literally just tastes like mint, which I was really impressed with. So a little bit about them. Toothpaste has aloe vera, micro shield wax and 5 key minerals: calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium and sulfate. Has a micro shield wax which prevents staining, which is perfect for if you drink a lot of tea, smoke or things like that that will stain your teeth. The aloe vera controls bacteria that causes cavities. A really nice mint, that is what they taste like. So the night toothpaste obviously has the natural charcoal in it, which naturally whitens, and natural peppermint oil to refresh your breath. So it is peppermint, but yeah, it's really nice. So a little bit about this product is that it's a natural alternative. So if you don't want to use anything else and you just want to use a toothpaste, then this is perfect. It has no fluoride, SLS or PEGs. This is vegan and gluten free as well. And it's great for routine because you're going to be constantly using it because it is toothpaste. You can actually buy it on prescription, so you can get it on like a monthly process, and you can cancel it anytime, and obviously it just comes straight to your door. So that's really handy. So let's move on to, I guess, my favourite product, which is the HiSmile Teeth Whitening Kit. This is what it looks like, and you get the syringes which go into the mouth guard. Okay, so in this kit you get the LED light, which looks like that, so as you can see. And there is the timer, so it's on for a 10-minute self-timer. You also get the mouth guard. I have literally a fear of them kind of things from the dentist. This, nothing like that, really easy. It doesn't go too far back, it literally just goes right around your teeth, so really comfortable, fine, and actually really good in your mouth. It feels comfortable. That you also get 3 of these, which is the syringe that has the whitening gel in it, and then you get a little instruction book which tells you how to do everything, and then you get this, which is the shade chart. So obviously where your teeth are. Step 1, I would say, is attaching this, which is really easy. So if you can see, it has grooves in the guard, so you literally just slot this light right in. So it's really simple. I have been using this for a couple of days, and I will say that this is really easy to clean as well. Now the guard is ready. This is what it looks like, and this is the stick. You take off the lid and you squeeze in. So basically this has measurements on it. I'm not going to, can you see the little lines? So basically you put 1/4 in each side. So you get the syringe and you squirt it round mouth guard, and then do the same on the other side. This is what it looks like at the moment. As you can see the gel in there. What I will say is it's really nice because it's not gritty, and yeah, it's just a real nice gel that doesn't feel. Also the taste of it, because a little bit got on my tongue, it is a little bit minty, but almost slightly different kind of mint. But other than that, it doesn't taste chemically. I think that's word. So you put this in your mouth, press the button, which is a 10-minute timer, which is really convenient. So you can literally chuck this in, do your makeup, or whatever you're doing, tidy your room, and it will tell you when it's done, and then you go and rinse, and yeah. to kind of round up, I guess, I love the fact that it's joint, so you don't have to hold the light, but you can take it off to wash it. I think that's really, really handy and good, I guess, invention. I love the fact that it's got a timer and it beeps when it like goes off and everything like that. It's also really good because like it's 10 minutes and it does make a difference. I will show you obviously my before and after photo quickly. If you're getting ready, you're going on a night out, you can literally just put this on, whack the gel in, put it in your mouth and do your eye makeup. Really straightforward and really easy to use. The gel tastes fine, the toothpaste tastes good. So yeah, all around I love the product, and you'll see my before and after pictures. Thank you so much to HiSmile for reaching out to me, asking me to collaborate on this video. To HiSmile, I'll leave their links, description, I think, below, so go and check them out if you're interested, or ask me any questions at all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.